Right, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video. Yeah, we'll do a quick little story time. Really just wanted to post this to kind of give a breakdown of my trading journey so far, give some, I don't know, transparency into the realities of futures trading. It's, it's the most, it can provide the most amazing opportunities, but if it's not respected, it can go bad pretty fast. So hopefully this story kind of gives some gives some perspective and helps you slow down if you are going too fast, and helps you zoom out, helps you keep going if you're thinking about quitting, and maybe just helps you start that thing that you've said that you wanted to start it for a long time, because that's me here. I've always wanted to educate and share my experience. I taught skiing before this. That was like my life passion. I loved teaching, and when I found trading, this kind of became my new passion. I've always wanted to teach it, and I figured I might as well just build in public as I still try and master this new skill. I have been trading for almost 2 years now. It's July 2024 is when I started, and didn't really find success until it was around like October, this past October. Took my first few payouts, was able to pay off some debt, and yeah, it was awesome. And then, really started to hone in on my model, trading mix of like ICT concepts with like um, initial balance range, but yeah, I found success there and was managing risk, backtesting daily, journaling daily, figuring out what in my life I needed to cut out and what I needed to be consistent at. I think that's huge too. Finding consistency outside of the charts it's going to it's going to correlate with your trading as well. So January, February comes around, and I was taking it kind of slow on 4 Tradeify accounts, and then hit that first payout on the 27th. Was able to take out max payout there, and then I built a good buffer. So I started risking. I was risking about like 1% of the account, and I was just sticking my model, sticking my trades, and was managing risk at the end of the day, and was able to take out three max payouts in only a few weeks time. So we had some pretty great success right there. But from there, that's when it went all kind of downhill. And this is exactly why I'm sharing this story, because I went way too fast. Right, I had 4 accounts and I went right to 18 accounts, and was ready to take out another like 20K payout, and then just blew all of it and was just over leveraging, and was seeing that P&L on my trade copy at like $20,000 a day, and just like it was blowing my mind. And at that same time, like, just was discrediting everything that I did to get there. I stopped backtesting. I stopped journaling daily, or like even my losses. I was like, whatever. Didn't journal my losses. Like, being inconsistent, and I ended up giving back. I'll show you. After the 90-10 split, it comes out to like $33,000 something. And, dude, like, well, like, what are you doing, man? Like, you did so much to get there, and then you give it all away. So yeah, it's embarrassing to show that, and that sucks at the end of the day. But I don't care. I love trading. I love what this can bring to your life and other people's lives. So that's why I want to document this journey and share my experiences, share my teachings, do backtesting sessions, do trade reviews, do market reviews, backtesting daily, trying to trying to get this win rate up, trying to get our average RR in a good, comfortable place, being consistent and not over trading. I mean, even with these accounts that I have right now, we have 5 Lightning accounts. It's like, you don't want to see days where you're trading 10 trades and you're losing that much money. Like, I'd love to just keep it to 1 to 2 trades a day. That's really what we're going for, and that's what I'm gonna be preaching on this channel from here on out. So yeah, I mean, that's the story. We're pretty much starting fresh. We're pretty much back to break even, and credit cards are getting heavy for sure, and we're gonna have to pay those off with some payouts. And yeah, it's all part of the process. And now I know, like, you have to respect this game. You have to respect what got you there. You got to be consistent day in, day out, day in, day out. Even with everything, going to the gym, going for a run, making sure you're eating right, making sure you're meal prepping, making sure you're journaling. Like, all those little things, they do seriously stack up. And yeah, you got to skill max at the end of the day when it comes to even the little things. Even when it comes to doing your laundry, making your bed, whatever it be, it's those little things that truly add up. And just being a man of your word. If you say you're gonna do something, do it. If you say you're gonna stick to your rules, do it. Right? Don't skew from it. Right? That's everything. That's everything I've learned. And yeah, like, you're human. You're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna not do these things. But it gets to the point where you have to realize in yourself, like, okay, when is something going to change? You got to ask yourself those questions. So that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm posting this video. And just want to be real. Just want to be real where we're currently at. So yeah, hopefully you can take something away from this at the end of the day. It's going to be a great comeback story. I'm excited. I'm excited to start posting and sharing all this, and sharing my journey along the day while I, still work a 9 to 5 as well. So yeah, let's get it. It's gonna be awesome road ahead, and plenty of good things to come. So thank you for listening. I will see you all in the next video.